Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. How to understand the WTT World ranking system. A player has asked me, "Hi, coach, maybe it would be interesting if you can explain the point system in some detail, for what and by whom they are given." So today, let's understand the WTT ranking system. It is no longer the true ranking system. How to understand the WTT World ranking system? The WTT World ranking system can be a bit confusing to understand, especially with its recent changes. In this article, we will break down the key elements of the ranking system and explain how it works. We'll also take a closer look at the recent rise of Wang Chuqin's ranking, surpassing Fan Zhendong, and provide insights into the point system. So let's dive in. WTT ranking system and rise to rank number 1. The WTT ranking system is designed to reflect the recent performance of players by expiring ranking points after a certain period of time. This ensures that the rankings are constantly updated and influenced by the player's most recent results. One significant example of this impact was observed with the recent point expiry of Singapore Smash 2022's ranking points, which had a notable effect on the current ranking positions. In the case of Wang Chuqin and Fan Zhendong, their recent performances played a crucial role in their rankings. While Fan Zhendong had been the previous world number 1, he lost 2,000 points due to point expiry, whereas Wang Chuqin only dropped 245 points. The accumulation of points is based on winning ITTF, International Table Tennis Federation tournaments, and active participation in all ITTF tournaments. It's important to note that the ITTF only counts the points earned in the last 2 years, from 2022 to 2023. Although Fan Zhendong had consistently performed well in several tournaments, many of his previously won titles expired due to the point expiry system. This is why it is essential to understand that each player's ranking points are based on their 8 best results in the last 12 months. Let's now break down the specific tournaments and results that contributed to Wang Chuqin's rise to rank #1 and Fan Zhendong's current position. Wang Chuqin's performance and ranking points. 2022 star contender. Wang Chuqin won the tournament, earning 600 ranking points. 2022 WTT champions. Wang Chuqin emerged as the champion, adding 1,000 ranking points to his total. 2022 WTT Cup final. Wang Chuqin secured victory, gaining 1,500 ranking points. 2022 Asian Cup, Wang Chuqin reached the quarterfinals, earning 90 ranking points. 2023 Smash, Wang Chuqin made it to the semifinals, adding 700 ranking points. 2023 WTT Champions, Wang Chuqin reached the quarterfinals, contributing 175 ranking points. 2023 WTT Champions, Wang Chuqin claimed the championship, acquiring 1,000 ranking points. 2023 World Championships, Wang Chuqin was the finalist, earning a substantial 1,400 ranking points. The total sum of these results accumulates to 6,465 ranking points for Wang Chuqin. Fan Zhendong's performance and ranking points. 2022 WTT champions. Fan Zhendong finished as the runner-up, earning 700 ranking points. 2022 WTT Cup final, Fan Zhendong reached the round of 16, gaining 100 ranking points. 2023 Smash, Fan Zhendong emerged victorious, contributing 2,000 ranking points. 2023 WTT champions, Fan Zhendong claimed the championship, adding 1,000 ranking points. 2023 WTT champions, Fan Zhendong reached the quarterfinals, earning 175 ranking points. 2023 World Championships, Fan Zhendong emerged as the champion, securing 2,000 ranking points. 2023 WTT contender, Fan Zhendong finished as the finalist, contributing 280 ranking points. 2022 WTT champions, Fan Zhendong withdrew from the tournament, resulting in 0 ranking points. The total sum of these results accumulates to 6,255 ranking points for Fan Zhendong. However, it is worth noting that Fan Zhendong got penalized for withdrawing from the 2022 WTT champions in Budapest, which caused only his 7 best tournaments to be counted. Understanding the ranking points system. The WTT ranking points system focuses on participation in matches and the player's performance in tournaments, rather than solely considering the number of tournaments won. This ensures that the rankings reflect a player's recent form and consistency. It's important to remember that points expire within a certain time frame, making it crucial for players to continue performing well to maintain or improve their rankings. With the new ranking system, points will expire after a specific period, whereas the old system allowed points to stay indefinitely, even if they were acquired several years ago. This change has brought more dynamism to the rankings, with recent results carrying more weight.
應該都要暫停啦，如果再咩。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.